Yes, 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 yes. You know the general is back in a full stock, right? Right about now in a nation, people. The world boss said, yo, 10 star. Me notice you a man represent anywhere at all you there. Anywhere at all you there. Me notice you shoot video. Me say yes, 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 yes. I sure did. No gimmicks not about it, nation people. But right about now, you know. Be a me subscriber them. I show me say here what I go on 10 star. We need you for represent on the UTG album. You know the 15th of April. So nation people, I could go in it first. I could go in the intro first before we start execute. Of the world, it's not a plan. Nation people, what you have on, man? A franchise, the choosing one, the 10 star general. You know it go already, you know. When I come for represent a full effecting man. You know it go when we load up, ear man, crank up, drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. Hey, you know a loud explosion about you. Watch me now, man. Are the people's champion. Oh, you mean? Hey, yo, a Gaza favorite. Most definitely. Watch this. Are the most electrifying man pan YouTube entertainment business. What? Your nation people. You know my thing I heard. You know me not easy. I high grade my small. I know be the business. You see what I say? Yeah. Here me I say right about now. You see all I'm a subscriber them who are link up and I say yo 10 star represent pan UTG album. Hear me now. Right about now, you know. This is not a lollipop thing, you know. And this is not a just a video for just do just because video sake, you know. Let me tell you something, you know, nation people. Right now, you know. A UTG first album, see? Let me tell you something. We have to represent the right and proper way upon the youth them album, you know. So you know what I say, you know, album have to purchase and album have to stream, you know. You have to give the youth them a good look on them album, you know. Just remember saying, you know, them youth, you know, a dancehall royalty, you know. Just remember them youth are Gaza future, you know. You see what I say? So they ain't no way. You're not supposed to hold back on the support, you know. Supposed to debut in abundance, you know. Supposed to get the fullest to the max, you know, my brethren. To encourage the youth them, you know, the good work what them are doing, you know. And encourage, you know, the whole organization of Gaza, you know, to make it know say it stand firm and predominant, you know. So me know when UTG drop them album, you know, I'ma see the first week sale, you know. It's like some form of gimmicks thing or a lollipop thing when I deal with it, you know. Because I know me say me not easy already, you know. I high grade me smoke, you know. I don't have to tell you, no, say me not bun BD, you know. You see what I say? I really way I represent Gaza where they ain't no other way. And from Una say, yo 10 star, represent on the album. We want you to represent, we want you to talk about it, we want you to put it by your story, we want you put it by your community and all of these shit. Yes, 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 yes. 10 star will. Yes, yes, yes. I sure will. But may I ask you now, you ready for do phone part? I want to know if you're not ready for doing phone part. Because we have to load up the man them album, you know, and no gimmicks business, you know. You see what I say? Me no want to see no ridiculous number, you know. A pleasable number, me I look for, you know. Remember UTG, you know, remember Gaza future, not talk about, you know. Remember dancehall royalty, you know, deal with it, you know, my brother. No gimmicks thing not supposed to dead about the album in a Gazanation. From the man them album drop, no wonder why you not see the UTG in a two drop no song. Because the youth them a work on them album. Yo, I have to reward the youth them properly, you know, nation people. No gimmicks business not dead about it, you know. You know what I mean? All when you go, you fuck, all when you go, you better leave the album a stream, you know. And even if you wake up and you see, you know, like it's stop, you know, you make sure you stream, you turn it on back before you go back to sleep, you know. No joking shit, not dead about it, you know. You see what I say? Yeah. We have to support the youth them to the fullest. We have to give the youth them all the confidence what them need, all the confidence what them deserve. You see what I say? As I said to you, remember the future Gaza, the Gaza we not talk about. You see what I say? Yeah man, remember the young sensation them. You see what I say? A Gaza future not talk about. You see what I say? And there ain't no better way to do it, Gaza Nation, than load up on the man them album and make certain you know, represent in the right and proper way. Make sure the youth them have some beautiful numbers on them albums. You see what I say? This thing is not a talking thing and a fucking internet thing where we gas up and talk about. So I'll see me subscriber them and notify me and tell me this and that. Yo, me's a man with dead serious, you know. No gimmicks business not dead about it, you know. As you see, you know, upon the job me there, you know, I'm still a represent, you know. Normal people no do them shit there, you know, my brethren. And not anybody can take out them phone pan them job, you know, and not get right up, you know, for them shit there, you know. You see what I say? So when you see me back up my blood clot phone and I represent, you know, Gaza way, you know, because there ain't no other fucking way, you know. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke shit not dead about it. We not laugh with it. You don't know? You don't know I'm still already. If I'm gonna violate Gaza boy, get them head chop off with it. Remember 10 star, you know? I don't know gimmicks thing, you know. Remember the people's champion, you know. Don't forget, you know. I wanna deal with no Gaza favorite, you know. You hear me I say? So right now, the album I got drop, I got pre-order what, the 15th of April, see? Just make certain we represent, we all out on it. No joke shit not dead about it. We have to give UTG a great look on them first album. No joke shit not dead about it, Gaza Nation. The youth them hold it out and I take care of them thing properly. Because you notice them not to voice no song. You know hear them drop no, you know hear them a drop no new song. You see what I say that mean? The youth them take the time out and work on them album. So right now Gaza Nation, you know what I mean? I will do the rest from the youth them album drop for pre-order. We supposed to start do the rest by supporting the album to the fullest. Me not in a gimmick start now, no lollipop thing like where you hear people want to talk about. This is not no fucking internet story now, no gas up talk. You see what I say? So just make certain you represent to the fullest. You see what I say? Because you notice you running at the comment section and you tell me, yeah, say me for do this. Yes. You know see say me do it. You know what I mean? So right now I phone the time now. Make certain you gear up on yourself for the youth them album. No joke shit not dead about it. You see what I say now, no lollipop thing not dead about it. And first thing, me hear the world boss have the video for drop for politics. Respect world boss. Because I tell you already, so I need a video there. You see what I say? Not the youth them need it. You see what I say? Yeah, the whole country need it. No joke shit not dead about it. Them powerful message that them need. Them need visual behind it. You see what I say? So respect world boss. I can't wait till I drop the video for execute in a fine style. You know how I deal with my thing already. Mad and mean. And you know for ask if when me's a man I touch the road if my bad and clean. No joke shit not dead about it. But the general the 10 star wanna represent for Gaza Nation. No for my lollipop thing that in my game. So I say nation people, just make certain, you know, say, you know, when the album drop, you know, you see what I say? We represent, you know, the right and proper way, you know, how we should, you know. You see what I say? Because you know how we represent already. Gaza way, ain't no other way. And for me I say Gaza, it's not a mouth thing, it's a lifestyle. You see what I say? So if you not go live up to the lifestyle, no bother with a lollipop thing, you know. You see what I say? Because we see no ridiculous number on the youth them album. We say we go and bad, you know. You see what I say? Because remember, you know, when I give me the driving and the energy, you know, and I tell me, say, yo, 10 star, that we want you do, we want you post up about the youth, them album and where. Yes, I do it. See it, yeah. See me sound the big thing, them, yeah. Now wait for Uno now. So the 15th of April, the thing supposed to shot just like a mash burn shotgun. A joke shit with double and triple explosion. The thing supposed to shell way hotter than we fucking LA. No joke shit me dead about it. You know how I represent already. You know what I mean? Yeah. Say you know say a Gaza royalty. A Gaza. You know a dancehall royalty. You know a Gaza future. We not go submit to nothing less than what you hear me and tell you about. You know what I say? The album official way. Hotter than we L. We have to give the youth them all the support what them need. You see what I say? Yeah, no joke thing not about it. Understand people. You know my style already. You see what I say? So just make certain the 15th of this month when the album drop, we see some remarkable number upon it. Some excellent number upon it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Huh? Hold on a second. You know how we represent Madam Mean. And for ask if Gaza bad and clean. What? Support. Go out there to the fullest. 10 star general. Watch.